Now the engine they share is an M14P. Undercarriage as well, very huge. Yak 52s high up above us, and then from our right here comes the Yak 18. Yak 52's pitching down, getting ready for the smoke to come on. So Yak 18 exiting to a left. Now it's time for the Yak 52s. One of my favourite aircraft. I've spent many years at the back of these aircraft. They are bulletproof, a lot of bang for your buck, relatively cheap when it comes to buying this type of aircraft to operate and own. Very